In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your TradingView password. Let's get started right from the TradingView chart page. First, make sure you're logged into your account and you're on any TradingView chart. At the top of the page, look toward the upper left area of your screen for your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might show your avatar, your initials, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll see several options related to your account. What you want to look for is the option labeled Settings and Billing. This is where TradingView keeps all the main account controls. Click on Settings and Billing, and it will take you to a dedicated settings page in a new section. On the settings page, you'll see a menu with different categories. To work on your password, you need to go into the account area, so find and click on Account Settings. This section is specifically for important login information and security-related details, so it's the right place to manage your password. Once you're inside the account settings section, look for the option that says Change Password. This is usually clearly labeled and may be grouped together with other security options. Click on Change Password to open the Password Change panel. This is where TradingView will guide you through updating your login details. After you click it, you'll see on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to enter your current password first, and then type in your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Follow these prompts carefully. Choose a strong password that's unique to TradingView, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Make sure it's something you can remember or store it in a secure password manager. As you go through the steps, TradingView may also show you password strength indicators or additional security suggestions. Take a moment to read those and adjust your password if needed. When you're done entering everything, confirm the changes by clicking the Save or Confirm button shown on the screen. Once the system accepts your new password, your TradingView login will be updated immediately. From now on, you'll use this new password to sign in. That's all you need to do to reset your TradingView password using the built-in account settings.